How do you do an intro to a video? I can barely do an intro for an essay, and I've done dozens of essays. How do you get started? And that's exactly where it started. In the beginning, there was nothing. Then everything exploded. Hold up, what's that? It's a singularity. Imagine this. All the matter and energy in the entire universe was squished into this tiny, super hot and dense point. Then, for some reason which we don't really understand yet, it just kinda went. That's the Big Bang for you. So after that big explosion, everything started expanding really fast. Galaxies, stars, planets, they were all just flying away from each other like they were in a big, huge cosmic race. Weather update. After the universe cooled down a bit, things started to come together. Congratulations, the world is now a bunch of gas in space. But it's getting closer together. And it's getting closer together. And it's getting closer together. It's a star! Some stars burn out and die. Bigger stars burn out and die with passion that makes crazy elements like zinc, neon, and sulfur, as well as space dust. Space dust allows newer, more interesting stars to be made and then die and explode into even crazier elements like yttrium, tin, and krypton. So now stars have cool stuff around them like rocks, ice, and funny clouds, which can make some very interesting things. Like this ball of flaming rocks, for example. And that's how we got here today. All thanks to that one epic moment, the Big Bang. It's like the ultimate fireworks show that created everything we know and love. Way back in the day, before there were even days, there was this whole thing about how everything started. Some people turned to religion to explain it all. They were like, hey, maybe there's this super strong being or force that kicked things off. Different religions have their own stories about how the universe came to be. Like you've got the Christian belief in God creating everything in 6 days and then taking a day to pray on Sunday. Then there's Hinduism with its idea of Brahman creating and sustaining the universe through cycles of creation and destruction. In many religious writings, there's this moment where light gets involved. It's like someone flips a switch and bam, light everywhere. It's a pretty common theme across different faiths, the idea of light symbolizing creation and knowledge. Religion has been a big player in trying to make sense of how the universe got its start. Whether it's through creation stories, symbolism, or pondering life's big mysteries, different faiths offer their own unique perspectives on the origins of it all. Picture this. A long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, there are these super advanced aliens. We're talking about being so smart that they could manipulate time and space like it was no big deal. These aliens have been around for eons, traveling through the cosmos and exploring different galaxies. Now, these aliens got together one day and thought, hey, let's create something really cool. And that's when they came up with the idea of creating a whole new universe. They wanted to see what would happen if they set things in motion and just let it all play out. The aliens weren't just sitting back and watching, though. They were actively observing and studying everything that happened in the new universe. They wanted to understand how life developed, how citizens rose and fell, and what secrets the cosmos held. And so, the universe continued to expand and evolve, with these ancient aliens guiding its course from behind the scenes. To them, our entire existence is just a small part of a larger cycle of creation and destruction that has been repeating itself for eternity. So, there you have it. A wild theory about how the universe might have started with a little help from some alien friends. Who knows if it's true or not? But hey, in a universe as mysterious and vast as ours, anything is possible. So, to answer the question, how did the universe come to be and how old is it? We can turn to these theories, but we'll never know which one is true. As for the end of the universe, we have no idea. Or do we? How do we end this? And that's exactly where it ended.